Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel One Two Step, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can upload your different files or photos or even your videos in your Google Drive. All you need to do is, first of all, you do need to be logged into your Google Drive account. And now to upload your files, all you have to do is simply go on to the new option right here on the left side of your screen. Simply click on it and you can see that all of these options appear. You can create a new folder in which you need to input the files in which you are trying to upload. Otherwise, all you can do is simply select the type of file from here and simply click on file upload, or it is within a folder and you want to upload the whole folder, you can also click on folder upload. Now click on file upload, and after you click on it, you can see that you'll be able to see a small file explorer type of option appear on your screen. From there, all you need to do is simply go on and just select the type of file that you want. Here I'm going to select a picture. Now this is a picture. Now all you need to do is simply click on open, and now you can see that a uploading process has been started. And after it has been done uploading, it will be on your Google Drive, and that is how you can upload on your Google Drive. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.